So we just finished up with the antennas and security guys. So a big thank you, Aaron and Ian, for what you've done today. It's been amazing to watch you guys and just the skill and just dealing with the heat as well today. It's been fantastic to see you guys in action. So do you want to run through real quickly the job here today and what you've done?
Yeah, Ian, you...
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So we got 3/4 of the way through a Dahua CCTV system. So in all, we'll have 5 cameras. We've got 4 wired, one left to go here in the front foyer. 2 are operational. They'll be viewable via remote app on whoever's responsible for the church and the facility. They can have alerts come through to their phones. So when they're at home at night time, if someone happens to do something that they shouldn't be doing here, they'll be alerted straight away. They can have a look at the footage on the screen and they can alert the police straight away. So that'll be complete tomorrow. Tomorrow also we'll finish off a Bosch 3000 alarm system, which will protect the premises from intruders, or the back area. That will also be accessible to them on mobile phones. So not only will the phones give them an alert, the alarm will give them an alert, and again they can notify the police and activate them, and that'll all be finished tomorrow.
You've done a fantastic job. And have you done many churches where you've had to go through and wire up a church?
No, that's a first for me.
I've done a church before, so yeah. So no, they are tricky. This is a 130-year-old building, so obviously heritage listed, so you've got to be very careful as well as what we do. So, but yes, always good fun. We'd like a challenge, don't we?
And we were on our best behaviour.
Yes,
you did an amazing job. Obviously the camera's here, but no, you did a fantastic job. You've like even the little things like taking the boots off, going in and stuff like that, things which people might not notice, but we notice, and you've done a fantastic job, and you're helping out a great organisation in person here as well for our local heroes. So thank you very much for being a part of it. And thank you for being a pleasure to deal with. You've made it really easy, and it's great to see your customer service stands in person. It's been awesome to watch. So thank you very much on behalf of the
got to say that the group of trades that were here today,
they're all fantastic.
Rip a bunch of blokes and girls. It was everyone working well together. It was pretty tricky here with car parking and manoeuvring around, but everybody got on well. It was really good.
It's quite amazing how many cars we somehow fit in here. It's been like a puzzle piece, and everyone's been real accommodating as well.
You've done well, John.
No, you guys have done well, and thank you to you guys in your division as well. For I know you get suppliers looked after us and stuff with this as well, and thank you for coming out. And it's been a hot day and not easy, and you're back out again tomorrow. So thank you on behalf of the gym crew for what you've done.
Pleasure.
Thank you.